Diogenes syndrome, also known as senile squalor syndrome or compulsive hoarding syndrome, is a condition characterized by extreme self-neglect, excessive hoarding of possessions, and social withdrawal. It is named after the ancient Greek philosopher Diogenes of Sinope, who was known for his unconventional and minimalist lifestyle. People with Diogenes syndrome often live in squalor and unsanitary conditions, with clutter and filth accumulating in their living spaces. They may neglect personal hygiene, refuse assistance from others, and isolate themselves from society. The syndrome is more commonly observed in older individuals, but it can affect people of any age. The exact cause of Diogenes syndrome is not well understood. It is believed to be associated with a combination of factors, including underlying mental health conditions such as obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD, depression, schizophrenia, or dementia. Traumatic experiences, social isolation, and personality traits may also contribute to the development of the syndrome. Diagnosing Diogenes syndrome can be challenging because individuals with the condition often resist seeking help or refuse to acknowledge their living conditions as problematic. However, healthcare professionals, typically psychiatrists or geriatricians, can conduct assessments and interviews to evaluate the severity of self-neglect, hoarding behaviors, and any underlying mental health conditions.